In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit code in Base44. We'll walk through finding your app, opening the editor, and what to do if you see a prompt asking you to upgrade before making changes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to get your editor unlocked so you can start writing code confidently. First, open your browser and head to Base44. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar and select All Apps. This view shows every app available to you in your current workspace, which is the easiest way to jump into the project you want to work on. If you have a lot of projects, use the search bar at the top of the apps page. Type the app name or a keyword and let the results narrow down for you. Filters can also help if your workspace is busy. The goal here is simply to get to the one app you want to edit. Click the app to open it. You'll land in the editor area for that specific project. From here, go to the dashboard. The dashboard gives you a quick overview and helps confirm you're in the right place before diving into code. It's a useful checkpoint to see the app context and make sure you're not about to edit the wrong project. Next, switch to the code section. This is where the file tree and the editor live. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, the file navigator on one side and the main editing panel on the other. This is where you'll spend most of your time when making changes. Now, choose what you want to edit. Browse the folders, locate the file you need, and select it to load it in the editor. Make sure you've opened the correct file path so your updates land exactly where you expect. If you see a notice that code editing is only available on paid plans, that means your current plan doesn't include write access. You can still explore files, but to make changes, you'll need to upgrade. When you're ready, click Upgrade Your Plan. This takes you straight to billing. Review the available plans and pick the one that fits your needs, keeping in mind how often you'll be editing and whether your team needs additional seats or features. After selecting your plan and completing checkout, return to the code section of your app. The editor should now be unlocked and you can start editing your files. Make thoughtful changes, save regularly, and use the dashboard to verify everything looks correct. That's it. You've successfully navigated to your app, opened the code editor, handled the upgrade, and you're ready to build.